This is Co-op Construction Citadel bringing to you a video clip of our ongoing construction project, a 5-bedroom duplex of a contemporary design located at Umuagali Village, Oba, Anambra State. For our client, Mr. Ifeanyi Jama, popularly known as Okunenyefe. This project was contracted to us on October 25th with a time frame from October to December to be delivered. And our construction commenced on October 28th, starting with the setting out of the foundation. This was followed by foundations works, including trench and pit excavation, placement of starter bars, concreting, block work in foundation, earth filling and oversight concrete. From there, we progressed to the formation of block work on the oversight concrete to the lintel level, after which we carried out the placement of formwork, reinforcement bars, and concreting of the first floor slab. Amidst the challenges of site constraints, with the land being less than one plot, the client requested the addition of an OB, a modern day sit-out, alongside a parking space in front, all within the same construction site. We carefully developed a suitable design solution and successfully integrated it into the ongoing construction. Due to the tight timeline and scope of work, construction activities are carried out both day and night, ensuring steady progress and adherence to the project schedule. As construction advanced, we moved into the finishing stages, including screeding, plastering, and formation of floating steps. This is the current stage of the project, and we are proud of the progress achieved so far. We still remain the Co-op Construction Citadel. You can still contact us for any of your designs and any of your construction work.